game against Egypt no the second leg no enya dia mba on that game no mo until some penifo bi tua sika no dia mo enna ebeye huhu ebeto dwa CSA minister kra kuhia aye mpenifo a omne da aye Black Queens na no oni afi mpenifo bi a omudi na chi no omokoye na ona asem no kodru at a point I say na still na man no insist send ye sika no mo ntua dia omo emmo no minister akoka kire emaya ne say look say again mo mo kra fe dia mabre mo monko mo dia munya ebona calf emane na calf kra no obani ase anya 2 years ye after 2 years no ye betu raise another team ama omonso abo ediama the Black Queens of Ghana na mo ayemayi mudi be ko history bookum na mudi na bekum no enye di papa ebe di mbone ade amamo se edurumre bi no se nkam kobobo ede ma Ghana na enya qualification ma nkobo ede ma Ghana enya aye ban sansensemi ebe to da no in fact na asem no IBiosa minister pan obeka sei na ensemi na anopei minister esi debida onka bibis onka just say eden no minister say bi wo hwa ama agudemu nsamatimi akonkan no obetumi agina mayu anim na aka sei enso etimi ede atwomti sansam na ekoso ni dina no yentie minister ebra na ono so chechim omukochi amayo no example ya ono so no etimi kan na afi yemfa medin komo no emfa mamo.
Did they allege that I made that statement? Yes. They refused to train the day before yesterday. They didn't train yesterday. I had a meeting with the 3 captains together with the FA president and the national team's manager in the night around 9 p.m. So how could my statement be the reason for their boycott? Allegedly, if I said so. But I did not say that. And I told them they can't play without training. So they gave indication they will train today. When the money is released, they will be paid. These are bonuses that are due them. You know, we went for a tournament. CAF equally has a responsibility to nations that participated and also did well. That support from CAF even hasn't come yet, and that is what they must know. However, government has made every payment in terms of per diems, accommodation, transportation, all other welfare issues have been paid, including even these qualifiers that they involve.
Okay, enti ano ye sports minister Nhyira Kofi Adams ena ochechensemu se yes no kre emayo no omuka se omunye training na 2 days omunye training enumu ena one FM penifo bi ene Black Queens captain emayo no miensa first second and then the third captain of the team no Asia or team manager so omudina akushia in the meeting. Now, and now all catch the Marion say, upon chow game no more cobono. I dear back pay here in football is training. So one training a bad day, I don't want to go park and so aqua bobo or no more yard. Almost can see it at the moment, and so I buy on another my baby. I cast finance ministry release this canon no beer to see to your money piano. Yet you had the amount to a sour. As much as almost say omusika ma omun training ya di na no opomocho omfa bibia nto machi no mun ko gina aye park no so nko training no mun ko bobo ni wie omu hwia sika bia osa ban etua de mu bia no aban ai ready obetua e dia mum te dan no obi ko gina baabi oka so no ko ka kire ma ne sai e na musu mun training kura munya na ho awan e no kura kan obi na mayo no ese omu training na oso obi sa o sa 2 days na Mario no training no ayo no na some kind ti na no mu training na o san se ni na no anya no kra on ka bibia asante na kwambia so game no eba so na before kra no ababa my friend Chantal ase ohia Ghana ni bia support ne ade akra so sidim oban a obisi academy Black Queens na ne ano no su gina akra so sidim in front of Ghanaians now obo game edi amai.
Looking forward to seeing as many faces as possible. Hey guys, Chantal here. We have a game on the 28th versus Egypt at the Accra Sports Stadium. I'm looking forward to seeing as many faces as possible in the crowd. I'm excited to perform my first home game in front of all of you. I'm looking forward to it, so I hope to see you all there. See you soon.
Okay, Chantal, so he'll be any minute or the Accra Sports Stadium. From support Nimromo. na against Egypt in Bibia and Konkai Emfa Emba the Black Queens of Ghana. They said the issue no ya resolve Bibia Mayano training game and so no Ebaso na utie head coach Kemlaza or say the depart say the Bibia no almost see Mayano ajatum safi the game no almost so ebebo Ayala
I can't send you street in so say sika ofia nkranso you see sa issue we a ekoba nyina no sika sam anamebwa
sure kia me dru ba bi adru gra
nti senka sika wo a ye de etua ekaye de da wo ya nko bi anu a rich enye panyi bi a de se odi obi ka wo ye kra ya obi besie ye bobo ye branka kanka krai rich why na pese odi obi ka obi ampe enti se wokote se obi de obi ka don't let it seem say nipa ko na odi obi ka na say ehye ne fe se odi obi ka na wontia o skani bi anka wotia pese your concentration will be on minister no any the okokan here the central for report here the one can no. Let's tackle the issue and leave the individuals out of it. Esikasam. Rich again. I told the be our own. Obisi Ayala up type moi mon for chiboduto. But I am sorry, but sometimes I can't help it when the way we discuss issues, for me, I told the beer, Rich, I will not add what I have to add. But this is the problem. CSA, Ghana, the Black Queens car. It is never a blast ass problem. It is some trouble for their first comment about discussing that issue. It's a blast ass and come on, mom.
So Ayala, me say a man football issues be say poppy apa. Discussions na baby a third community free pie. Like you said, black stars day. You say black stars on problem. But then a man you won't come out tournament by say me many cry. I can say a bro 3 months ago.
Many be
yeah. Inti then o makobo tournament every na up to now omusika ese de ma omo yemfa mo but black stars babo game na say on budget yetua sika bi ese bia e de obia de amane de ko e basa se me oba na mbobo a enyame ya
ebe ya oya but what I am saying is here yaw na wo no ene yaw na ye nyina asam twofo edidi nkomo no let's try say e be di nkomo no on merits.
Yes, black stars.
Issue ni let's talk about it. And am I turning into a black stars problem? Rich, I sank in common kitchen no. And the cost is affection for the black stars. What's the baby? Obidu obika. Ontia was it and can one kia na as and young time on one. Let me tell you the issue. And I here, Rich.
Nhyira fan.
Some black queens are some Nabanieka. Black princesses. A man under 20 no. Rich, yeah, Diomuka. They are also playing Omabo Wafu Zombie. Abo a man Afcon under 20 level qualifiers. Ever seen there? Yentia Musika Momo. Including even hotel bills. Black princesses, a man under 20. Black satellites, a man under 20.
Yeah.
Rich, the last time they played in a tournament, full tournament from Kankre to Kankan, ever seen there, not even one peswa. And I come home. including hotel bills. Ye di omuka. Nancy Unihana Coach Prosper Ogum. Eddie under 17 for a qualify for under 17 AFCON. ABC Yache. Rich, before they started the qualifiers, the Ministry of Youth, Sports and Recreation wrote to the FA telling them, say, Sikeni for under 17 for qualifiers. No? So they should find their own money and go and play. I'm telling you this on record.
Joanne and Kupiska no more kobo.
The FA, la suna la so omabo. They've played the qualifiers and we are qualified.
Sure.
Now there's a Black Queens issue. And you add that to the list. Rich, and now me know say the technical team of the Blasters proper. Diomuka 8 months.
Nhyira FM.
To adobo. Diomuka. And the technical team. We own the months in Tiaka. And it is not a Blasters problem. It is a financial problem. And it's a we are Blasters technical team, Black Queens, Black Starlets under 17, Black Satellites and member under 20, Black Princesses and bar under 20. Omina eke bubruja. Na see ya nisa unkomo we year. Rich, it could escalate unim dientia. Say what 2025 member. Next year 2026. Qualifiers in Pony Ebreyo. Rich, next year in 2026. Blasters Beko World Cup. And then Yebesha Egypt, Emano. Black Queens Beko, Emano AFCON. Black Princesses, Emma under 24. They will qualify for under 20 AFCON. Then ye under 17, Emma, coached by Prosper Ogum, had already qualified for Emma under 17 AFCON next year. Until next year, Black Princesses, Black Starlets, Black Queens, Blasters, and you know, a major tournament. And Rich, have you seen the magnitude of the problem? Yeah, and the fact of the matter, and say, Rich, from the sports budget to the contingency fund, they funding normal be say any other. The whole of mine, any all that we have to do, education, agri, health, roads, bibiano, it's on that same money. And
That's also.
And yet easy say over kwa. Uko yani yedi abomni atamne. It is not easy. And to him, the conversation in the say, a ban is saying a mile for 40 saying, Rich, yente sa problems nibi when it comes to almost sports on your man. Na omatimi strategically. Any solutions where they say, oh, sports no, are attractive. And until the young running sports no, as a corporate bibia, national teams in the world or more sponsors. Any the bonifeno, like Yasada assets aside, acquire Yabefa so Ebenya companies, ebe take care of or more costs in this no man. Because Rich, you can't get sponsors for health. What you mean can't you MTN say amount $3 million to sponsor Kolebu? You can't do that. But you can go on that tangent for Black Queens. What you mean can't you go first Takwadama and say on your sponsors of Konfanoti Teaching Hospital and I say Wa Hospital. But you can go first Takwadama and say sponsor the U20. Mewa. And the sports as position we are seeing now. A unique way. Rich, the management of it. Activities can be bar. And for wait and to a buying so. That is the reason why I rich. Oko Germany. from Volkswagen to Mercedes, any omo companies. So no more so omo national teams national with sponsorship money. Nancy wasn't GMPC sponsoring the Blasters? Have you heard GMPC sponsor Kwalebu Teaching Hospital? And I said GMPC sponsoring Opoku and school and I said Prempekale. What to be that? Enti, Rich, say I'm starting a new como. Now you're starting for ideas and boom. How we can raise funds to support sports in Ghana. Now say fund say oh, minister be asem, FA be asem, national team. So the way they do we deal with it. You be this and kwaba. And I'm saying, sir, if you have a better appreciation of the problem now, and your black players are someone goes the Mabubo Bossi, and the day in 2026 major tournament here, Rich, see, I started paying communim. Na betting companies here, Omunya Sika Pudu free sports mu. Yampe special tax be a more me sika. Any some strategic ways and even resist sika near the boy sports no bra. Rich, you will quite be brave.
Me the diamond to cry me hotels. And then Morocco. Oma hotel.
Yes.
It's our national teams, you know. And also we are working now.
Yes. Oko France. Some people say I'm moving for. Come the money. Konate mon. Omuko Clenfontaine. It has been built.
It is no bani nis kakra. At least your baby am bad down.
Accommodation there.
And some
issues in you. Now look. Enra. You see, Minister Koho. You see, FA President Koho. Andra you cross on your Kasai. Rich, we want to speak to the Black Queens from a hotel, a private hotel. We've not identified, say, can we develop Pram and house national teams there?
Pram is way. Just ensure.
What do you lack? Say we can solve the. And Rich, some hotel bills now make and yet Ghana Hankwao. It includes Yakobo go away. You the hotels kawo Egypt. You the hotels kawo. Me say, Nhyira FM had here. So far as we work here on this post, Rich, Yen Kodi Kotoko 1 has one in community. We will let you appreciate the situation. And we will have a conversation on solutions without the individuals. Other countries are doing it. All their national teams have sponsors, major ones. And the amount financing of them, any problem, we can have same. Say yes, Bia. Not the Bia minister. A voice ya boy, ya minister, Okasawa Sempe. Look, they ask him, and the minister of Benes can remember. Ubo voice ya someone okay. Also, ya catch your finance ministry. Almost all me release this kind of man. A process.
On go nim da krombo.
Because I am basically a copy. And it takes time.
Ghana.
Dachi and